AMC is going on the green side while the whole market is going on a red side. As we discussed before, guys, this is the best hedge strategy I've seen lately for AMC because, as we said, once the market is red, we got a green reaction for AMC, and this is not coincident. It happened almost 2 weeks in a row, and now, as we discussed before, the last few days was neutral, and of course entering a consolidation zone. It happened so many times. So if you get bored, just as a reminder, this is normal reaction for AMC because as we did before, we already did almost 82% less than 1 month, guys. That's why we entering its consolidation zone. Remember, guys, as a reminder, our content always for educational purposes only. So right now we are in consolidation zone. What does it mean? Consolidation zone is mean fueling. As a rocket, if it's go up, you need another like a period of consolidation, or at least a period of refueling in order to continue the jump up against the gravity of the earth. The gravity here is the short sellers, and of course the fuel is the buyers. Right now we have a lot of pressure, no fuel, so we got neck and neck. The price is not moving, so this is normal. The most important thing is not flushing down. Like here, this is a dangerous zone. When we have a huge red candle like this, because we have bad news of the offering, the price pulled back. The good thing is we recovered in just less than 1 month. And every time when we have a huge buying pressure, we have a consolidation. You see here, buying pressure, consolidation zone. Huge buying pressure, consolidation zone. So the trick here, we don't know exactly when the refueling began. We know one thing is the period of consolidation over, or we entered a selling pressure zone or buying pressure zone. So if we want to confirm that we lost momentum and the short controlled the market, is breaking the $2.46 and go toward the $2.12. And $2.12 is breaking it, is mean we lost the game, and the short seller broke the levels, and of course continue to go down, and there is no consolidation period. We are entering in bearish period, but for now we are consolidating. Is mean the buying pressure is the same as the selling pressure, and we're not moving anywhere. And confirmation for that we're gonna change toward the bullish side is holding toward the $2.46. As long as we hold here, we're gonna have eventually the buyer to add up toward the $3.47, and this time we should hold over the $3, because last time we broke the $3, we stayed in few minutes and we went down. So this is by far the reaction that happening right now for AMC. Missing a bit of news, missing another buyer adding over the 246 to go toward the $4.10. Precisely those the levels that we should worry about for AMC. For now, just take a cup of tea and just relax. Watch out for the $2.46. As long as we hold over it, is a matter of time for AMC to go higher and test at least the next time over the 3, then go toward the $4 level.